All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's phrasal verb. No, preposition, that's it, preposition. So along, along, to go by the side of something. Yeah, so I walk along the road. They need to walk along the path. Yes, the path. Yeah. To go with an idea, plan, or intention. I went along with them. Yeah, I went along with the idea. Yeah, it kind of made sense. He went along with my plans. Okay, yeah. Yeah, she tried to go along, but it was too hard. Yeah. It is easy to walk along that route. Walk along that route, yeah. They went along with me up the mountain. They went along with me. We went along that path up the mountain. Yes. How cool is that? They tried to go along but struggled. They wanted to come along with me, but they could not. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So they went along with my suggestions. They followed my suggestions. They went along with my ideas. How cool is that? They're thinking we can't go along anymore. Yeah. So we can't go along this path. It is too dangerous. Yeah, we can't go along this path. Yeah. Things will change in the future and they can't keep going along together. Yes. So we could then say that things will change. Things will change along. Things will change along this route. Yeah. I will go along that path in life. I'll walk along those people. I'll walk along that idea. I'll walk along that route. Walk along that route in life. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, so to go along. So she is walking along the road. She is walking along the road. Yeah. We walked along the road together. We drove along that path, for example, that road, that way. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use along in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.